In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram not working on your Android device. So first of all, make sure your internet connection is stable, or you could try switching between mobile data and internet connection. Next thing that you can do is simply turn on your airplane mode for like 30 to 40 seconds. After that, turn it off. Make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi again. Then try starting Instagram. Or simply click and hold on to Instagram icon, then click on more features, then click on app info, click on force stop, then confirm it, then go to data uses. Here make sure disable Wi-Fi or disable mobile data is not turned on. If it is, then simply turn it off. Then go to storage uses. Here you can see clear data and clear cache. Make sure you click on clear cache. Once the cache is cleared, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. If your app is already up to date and still not working, then you can simply click and hold on to Instagram icon. Then click on uninstall. Then confirm it. Then again download it from Play Store. You could also try accessing Instagram from the Chrome or any web browser. You can simply search for instagram.com. From here, try logging in and using Instagram. And if it's not working even in the web browser, then it might be just the issue of the Instagram server. They will fix it soon enough. You can just simply wait for some time. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.